Welcome to Virtual Physics. We are continuing with our topic, current electricity. And in this case, I want to illustrate how parallel circuits behave and how appliances behave in those circuits. Once again, we are getting our current from a DC source from here. Current always from the positive terminal into the appliance there, and from the appliance back to the source there. When we switch on and complete our circuit, there we are, the bulb lights. Check the degree of brightness, and we'll switch that off for a moment and connect those two bulbs in parallel. We'll have one end connected to the second bulb and the other end connected to the second bulb right there. Those two bulbs are connected side by side, and a circuit in which appliances are side by side is what's called a parallel circuit. When I switch on there, you will notice both bulbs will come on and the level of brightness is actually the same because those bulbs are of exactly the same rating. When appliances are connected in parallel, it is as though each of them is directly connected to the source. So the level of brightness is normal. Each appliance is operating optimally. Let me have a third bulb connected in parallel. So I'll connect again one end there to the third bulb and the other end there to the same third bulb. And there we are. When I complete my circuit, you notice all the three bulbs are equally bright. The point being that when you connect appliances in parallel, each of them is directly connected to the source, and therefore that's why they're equally bright. I did make a point about series circuits being undesirable because if one appliance fails, the others continue working as normal. In this scenario, if we take off one bulb, let's say that bulb fails, in that case, the other two bulbs continue working as normal. And that is why it's always desirable to have appliances connected in parallel, so that if one appliance fails, the other continues working normally. So if you think about advantages of parallel circuits, you might think in terms of if one appliance fails, the others will continue working normally. Each is directly connected to the full voltage source and therefore works optimally. The only thing is that I have so many wires in this circuit. So the only disadvantage you have of parallel circuits is that you need much more wire to be able to do the connection. Unlike series circuit, which we saw earlier, which needs just a few wires to make the circuit operational. Thank you.